guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nivedita and I know you all are very much excited after reading the caption, and you should be. I am also very excited to share what I have tried. You will not believe I have not even thought of trying this one. But you know what? When the thing is about our skin, my skin is so sensitive and I always have pimples on it. And I have tried so many kind of DIYs, hacks and whatnot. But I have not got the suitable and the desirable fruits that I have tried many kind of DIYs and hacks. And but then also I have not stopped my research. But you know what, when we have pimples or when we have some kind of skin issues, and then suddenly the people around us became doctors and they suggest various kind of things to apply on our skin, just like that I have got one remedy that is common for everyone was saying this one, and it was kind of bizarre and I was like, no, I will not try this one. But you know what, when it comes on your skin, you want to look good, you want your skin to look good, a healthy skin we all want. On that note only, I have decided to try this remedy. This is a very natural remedy and all of you be prepared to hear that word. So guys, as I have told already, my skin is very much sensitive and I'm always taking good care of my skin. I am very much careful about the food I am keeping inside my body, whatever I'm putting on my skin. I am very careful about that. But you know, I have stomach issues, I cannot digest meat kind of things, so I turned kind of vegetarian nowadays to avoid those problems, stomach problems. And I have big pores in my skin and I used to have pimples all throughout the year. Every time I have pimples, and I was, you know what, my friends and my colleagues, they have started calling me pimple queen after some days. So now that is why I have decided to try this one. And so the wait is over. The remedy is your own saliva to apply these on your face. I know this is kind of disgusting and bizarre when you hear this one. But you know what, I have got from so many people, they are saying the same thing. It is kind of common to everyone, they all know this one. So after that I have thought, why I will not do a research on it, because you know, I do so many kind of researches and I have done my research and I have searched on Google. I was spending the whole day searching this one because I am going to apply such thing on my skin and it is kind of disgusting for me as well. That is why I have searched a lot. And here you can see I am sharing a photo. Here in this note it is written that it is a very good website. Here it is written, it is anti-inflammatory and healing properties it has, and it is antibacterial as well. You can read here, or you can search. The website is here also seen, you can search. So when I have seen these things and I have searched more and more on the internet, and many people are using this one, then I have thought, why I am so late, मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा पीछे चल रही हूँ, I have not tried this one. Then I have decided, no, I have to gather the courage and I have to try this one. And from the very next day I have started using saliva. You know, this is not that saliva that every time you are having in your mouth. It is not like that. It is that saliva you are having just after waking up and before brush, that saliva you have to put on your skin and on your pimples. You know, you can see my skin now. I have some dark spots, pimple scars. I'm not saying that it is totally fine and I'm now out of danger, no, but my pimples are now reduced to an extent. Now I have some scars. You will not believe, यहाँ पे ये आपको जो scars दिख रहे हैं छोटे छोटे, यहाँ पर भी बड़े बड़े pimples थे जो अभी थोड़े छोटे हो गए. So I was really amazed by this thing कि ये सच में काम कर गया यार अच्छे से. It is like 7 to no not 7 days, more than 7, 8 or 9 days maybe मैंने इसको start किया use करना. But I'm kind of happy with it. So क्या है, मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताती हूँ. When I have applied for the first time my saliva on my pimple, the first feeling I have got is refreshed. It is really refreshing. It started healing my skin. You know, when we have pimples, we kind of have inflammations and pain. But when you will put the saliva on the skin, you will feel refreshment and healing. बहुत ही ठंडा सा feel हो रहा था. So you can put it on like for 15 to 30 minutes. आपको बस इसे सूखने देना है. After that you can do your own skincare and other kind of routines, whatever you have. So this was just I wanted to say कि the saliva from your mouth just after waking up before doing brush. Okay, दूसरा वो पूरे दिन का saliva use करने में I think उसमें ज़्यादा फ़ायदा नहीं होगा, because when we are just waking up at that time we are having the whole night the saliva is in our mouth and it is containing that antibacterial properties in a great amount. In the normal day we are eating many things and I don't think it is not also written that the normal saliva for throughout the day you can use this one. The most effective saliva is the saliva you are having just after waking up and before brush. So use that one if you are feeling well and you think you can do this, because I was also first like मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, I cannot do this. I thought it was like disgusting, but it is not that big deal, because you are putting something that is coming out of your body and you are putting that thing on the top of your body. So it is kind of a personal thing, isn't it? उसमें इतना भी मतलब मैंने यूज़ कर लिया फिर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, पहले मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा था डिस्गस्टिंग, बट नाउ आई एम यूजिंग दैट वन. आज सुबह भी मैंने यूज़ किया था. I'm using. Let's see how much my pimples are going away from my skin. I will again post a picture of before and after in my Instagram. For that you have to follow me on my Instagram. I'm giving my ID here and in the description box also you will have my Instagram link. Okay, so for the results you have to follow me on Instagram and there you can see the before and after pictures of my acne. And that's all for today's video, guys. Keep the food healthy, okay? Whatever you are eating, check the food you are eating, the healthy food or not. Junk food is really really bad for our skin. Do not eat it. I have also started eating healthy food and green food most of all. एंड सिर्फ स्किन के लिए ही नहीं, अभी जो सिचुएशन चल रहा है उसकी वजह से भी हमें मतलब ज़्यादा विटामिन्स और मिनरल्स वाले खाना खाने चाहिए. डोंट ईट जंक फूड. Grow your immunity power so that you will not be affected by any kind of diseases. And that's all for today. For more such kind of videos, do subscribe to my channel. I have started my channel just a few days back and it is very new in this platform. I am very new in this platform, so मुझे इतना ज़्यादा कुछ अपना खुद का ही प्रमोशन करना नहीं आता. So आप लोग समझ जाना और do subscribe to my channel. मेरा family join करो. I don't even have 100 subscribers. Yes, that's true. Okay, and you will join my family, and then by the time we will increase our family. So till then, wait for my next video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.